Our Jessica Grunling has a look at how the roads are now. Jess?
Efforts continue to get streets and sidewalks clear for everyone across the city of Indianapolis. As you can see where I'm standing now, this sidewalk is not yet cleared. So if you are walking, these are some issues you might run into trying to have to trudge through some of this snow. There are some clear sidewalks that we've seen, but even those you kind of have to jump over the snow piles that have been plowed already. But we did catch up with DPW on where they're at in these efforts.
As long as it's shoveled, he's good.
Gavin Corlett is stepping outside to take his dog for a walk.
It's been a workout for sure. I've been trudging through the snow, and again, my dog, he's been struggling a lot as well.
Taking in all the snow that has fallen in the Circle City over the past 2 days.
It's been very, very crazy, and it's, yeah, I don't know what else to say, but I've been just staying inside because of how I've been too nervous to go anywhere.
Especially watching a car having trouble right behind him.
Clearly that.
Others are clearing the way out on the sidewalks, which can also be a little bit of a workout.
I'm a little strong, so.
And DPW is keeping a strong eye on the roads. Sunday night, they started addressing residential neighborhoods.
We finished pretty much all the primary roads, the major thoroughfares, and we're just going to continue until the roads are completely safe.
Contractors in DPW will still be working on 12-hour shifts at least through Tuesday. They are reminding people to not go out unless you have to.
Not only is it not safe, it's dangerously cold, and the more cars on the road, the worse it really is. It just gets in the way of a lot of our plow drivers.
In Indianapolis, Jessica Grunling, WRTV.